In this video, I am going to find the equation of a straight line for which slope is given and also a point is given on the line. I will consider a few cases. Let's start off with the first case where the slope is 0 and the y-intercept is at -7, 0, -7. As you know, the slope-intercept form of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus b. In our case, m is 0, is going to be 0 times x plus b, but b is -7. So if I simplify it, it's going to be y is equal to 0 minus 7, or y is equal to -7. Now this is going to be the equation, but remember, this is of the form y is equal to b, where b is a constant. So this equation represents a horizontal line through the point 0, -7. So that means it's that's y, that's x. This is by 0, -7, and the line goes through this. This is a horizontal line. Now here is my second case where the slope is undefined or infinity, and it goes through the point 5, -7. Please do keep in mind that when the slope of a straight line is undefined, the line is vertical. And also when the slope of a straight line is 0, as we talked about here, the line is horizontal. These are two special cases. Okay, so it's going to be a vertical line, and the line, by the way, goes through this point. It goes through the point 5, -7. As you know that for a vertical line, x coordinate is fixed, and the general form for the equation of a vertical line is x is equal to 8. And this vertical line goes through this point 5, -7, which tells us that the equation of the line must have to be x is equal to 5. Why? The x coordinate of a vertical line does not change. So the equation of this line is going to be x is equal to 5. And if I sketch it quickly, this is how it's going to look like, xy, and it's going to go through the point 5, 0, and it's going to be like this, a vertical line. The next case I'm going to consider is where m is equal to 2, slope is a positive number, it could be negative number too, and the y-intercept is 0. So our equation, slope-intercept form, tells us the following: y is equal to mx plus b, which gives us y is equal to m is 2, right? Is given here 2x plus b, but b is given to be 0, so it's going to be 0. So my equation is going to be y is equal to 2x. Now this is like y is equal to kx, which is the equation of a line that goes through the origin. So if I sketch this line, this is how it's going to look like. Y is equal to 2x. Any equation that could be converted to this form, y is equal to kx, it goes through the origin, meaning its y-intercept is at 0. Y is equal to kx tells you that there is no b, right? If b goes away, this b goes away, this becomes y is equal to just mx. But there is a special situation. This is a special situation where the line goes through the origin. We kind of use a different symbol for it, k, to indicate the slope. It tells us that y is equal to kx. If you have an equation like this, it goes through the origin. That means y-intercept is 0, b is 0, and the slope is k. These are the special cases that I wanted to discuss, and I have covered 3 different cases. One is when slope is 0, horizontal. One is when slope is undefined, a vertical line, it's a vertical line. And one is when b is 0, the y-intercept is 0, it's a line that goes through the origin, this point. Okay, and it has the form y is equal to kx. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.